forward paddle. Forward paddle, forward paddle. Okay, we're going to come up into steady here. Keep going hard. Keep going hard. I'm going to get up into this. Alright, stop, take a break. Okay, get up into there and then we'll cross in, okay? Forward paddle. Keep going. Keep going. Hard, hard, hard. Hard, hard, hard. Nice, stop. Get down. You did nothing, just chill. So you can weight the bottom if you want, it doesn't matter. It'll just hold us in more. Alright, should we spin her?
Can we?
Yeah? So you do it forward and I'll do it back, okay? Okay, let's do the other way, okay? You go back, and I'll go forward. Here, but try to go up here, okay? And now go back and I'll go forward. No, it's alright, just chill for a sec. So go forward, back, up, forward, stop, back, back, up, nope, forward. So when it starts to spin, just go with it, okay? So now spinning left, back paddle. Yeah. Nice. Forward. Forward. Yeah. Nice. Back. Back, 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 back. Yeah! Forward. Alright. You want more? We should get more. Okay.